Which one do you want?
I'm not gonna eat a whole one. Maybe I'll just have like a strip.
There's one for you.
Oh, wow. That is a lot of cheese.
You're not gonna eat it all. It's just there for show.
And then do you dip or do you drizzle?
You can do whatever you like.
Oh, you really dunked it in there.
What's the difference between dunking and drizzling? This is good. I like this. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are making something new with halloumi today.
Halloumi.
Halloumi cheese, which I love.
Me too.
And yes, we usually do grill it or air fry it. We're gonna fry it, but in like a cool way, like a schnitzel. We're gonna do it with cornflake crumbs.
We've air fried it before, but we've never pan fried it.
Never
we've
pan-fried
grilled it.
Never breaded it before either. No, and we've never made our own hot honey. But I always get gifted hot honey.
Yes.
And then we never use it, or we don't use it enough.
It's one of those things you use it and then it goes in the fridge or cupboard.
Yeah, and then you forget about it. But if you make your own hot honey, then you can just have a small portion whenever you want.
Okay.
So we're gonna make our own hot honey, and I realize it's not very hard. It's very easy. So one of the things about halloumi is that if you allow it to soak in warm water, it becomes a lot more malleable, and you can actually roll it out into bigger pieces. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this halloumi, I'm gonna cut it in half, kind of long ways to make two bigger pieces or individual pieces. Look, there's like a natural line. I'm gonna place them in a bowl with boiling water for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then we're gonna use that warmed halloumi to roll them out and make them a little bit larger. You know what else I like about doing this with the halloumi? Because it's been warmed, it's already kind of soft, so I have a feeling it's gonna fry really nice. Yeah, because then you don't have to worry about like bringing the temp up in the middle of it. Could you set me up with the 3-stage
breading system? Breadcrumb?
Cornflake crumb.
Egg.
Look at that.
The yellow yolk.
You like that, eh? I know.
My favorite eggs. Yep. Flour.
Do we need to salt this?
Well, the halloumi's already salty.
So you're saying no, right?
I don't think so. So just like a regular cutlet. Flour, egg,
breadcrumb.
Cornflake crumbs.
Yes. For the hot honey, chili flakes, and a little bit of vinegar. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of white vinegar. It's actually gonna be warmed hot honey. Question is, how much hot honey do we wanna make? So I'm gonna make that much hot honey. How hot do you want it? And I'm not sure what the vinegar is for, but calls for a little bit of vinegar. A teaspoon. I put it in this pretty container because I just had the giant jug of white vinegar and it's kind of ugly, just going like, yeah. It's bubbling. All we need to do is just warm it a little bit. I'm gonna let it sit now. Okay, so I'm gonna get some oil fried up going. Okay, that's why this isn't on. Put the wrong one on. Oh, it could have been hotter.
It didn't sizzle.
Didn't sizzle enough.
Why'd you put it in so fast? You're supposed to test it.
I did test it, it sizzled. Okay, you're on schnitzel duty?
If it was higher up the oil, the sides would like get, it's like when you make cutlets, like it's gotta be like, kind of like an inch of oil.
It's done already?
Well, it's getting really dark on the bottom, so.
New way to eat halloumi.
It's like an elevated mozzarella stick experience.
That's good.
That's good.
This is really yummy. Is the honey hot enough?
It's not spicy.
Yeah, you don't get the cheese pull though.
No cheese pull, but you get that nice crust.
This is good.
That's really good.
This would be good on a salad too. All right, I like it. That's it. We're boring.